Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to do something cool. I'm sitting at my grandma's house and I have both my tractors under the carport, but she doesn't like them here. So a couple weeks ago I traded chipping brush for a carport, and I now have the carport where we're going to set it up at, but we still got to do a little bit of ground prep. We'll use one of the tractors to do some of that, and then we're going to try and put the carport up, just the two of us. It's going to be fun and interesting because it usually takes 3 people to do one of these things, but I think we can persevere. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we just got this little area cleared, except for that stump. I'll get that out later. What we're gonna do now is try and figure out how to put this thing up. We're gonna move this one side to its intended location, and then I'm gonna put one little cross brace up, and then we will move that side to its intended location, pick them both up and set them down to where it is then secured together, and then we'll put one more cross brace on the back, so then we can kind of move it, wiggle it around a bit. I am going to put it on concrete block, but I'm going to do that after we get it somewhat structurally sound, because I don't know exactly where I want it yet, and it's hard to visualize something until you see it put up. So that's what we're going to try and start doing. So you ready?
I ain't no scientist.
He ain't no scientist, but this might work.
What?
We got the frame done. Look how pretty it is. Except if I park my tractors under here, it'll still get wet. So I guess now we get to put the roof on. Not looking forward to it, but the only way to get it done is to do it. I wish I could just snap my fingers and be done, but can't do that. All right, so after 4 hours of pretty solid work, we took some breaks. We finally got my canopy mostly up. This, my drill died, so this one's still hanging around a little bit. Not a big deal. As soon as she's done charged in like the next 15 minutes, I'll zip some more self-tappers in. The only other thing is this one was not put up the first time with a lot of care. So to put everything back together and get all the bolt holes to line up was really hard. So now I got holes all on my roof. I'm going to come back tomorrow with silicone and seal everything up so I don't have leakingness in here, because you don't want it to leak. But overall, I'm pretty excited. I got the Farmall, I got the John Deere, and I got this trailer in here. This trailer's always sat outside, so at least now I can sit under shelter until I find another tractor to put in here. And I might be able to squeeze something else in this small little space, make every one of my family members mad at me in the process. But I'm all right with that. The only other real thing we have to do is finish getting the stump out, and then this thing is done. Oh, I also got an anchor to the ground, but I'm not gonna show you guys that. It's boring stuff. So we're going to go ahead and finish making our mountain bike trails. Man, look at this stuff. Man, we got trail all the way through there. We got trails all the way up there. New trail coming all the way back there. And then I have all my pasture. My upper pasture, I'm planning on turning into a garden at some point, but my lower pastures, mountain bike and mini bike heaven. Once this knee is healed, I'm gonna be out here on the mountain bike or on the dirt bikes ripping every day. So will he. I'm exploiting his labor so he can mountain bike. Fine by me.
Fair trade.
Yeah, fair trade. If you like this video and you're excited about my carport, like the video. If you want to see more of my crazy adventures, not so crazy, but you know, adventures, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more of his beautiful face, subscribe to his channel. I don't know the name of it. I think it's Scoop, maybe. I'll put a link or something in the description. I will see you guys next time. Later.